Hello and welcome to C# programming. My name is Dr. Bishwajit Panja. I'll be your instructor. Today I am going to teach about the concept of C# and the syntax for writing programs like loops, string, objects, and so on. It can be used for a wide variety of applications, including web-based and GUI-based application. When you have completed the course, you will be able to write programs using C#, use the basic syntax of C#, work with the object-oriented features of C#, work with the files, and creating GUI. You can download Visual C# from the Microsoft's website. The link is given here. You can write the C# program using the console, and when you are creating GUI application, you can use the forms. This course does not need any prerequisite. The topics we will cover in this course are C# basics, branching and operators, looping and string, method. We have some more. In C# basic, we'll take a look at the syntax of C#, writing programs in C#, for example, the structure of C#, where to put the classes, where to put the methods. And then branching and operators will be working with if-else statements, while statements. And then for looping and string, we'll be working with for and then different string methods. And then for methods, we are going to see how we can utilize methods in the classes when we are writing program for C#. More topics: constructor polymorphism and inheritance, array, exception handling, GUI. In constructor polymorphism and inheritance, we are going to be working on the object-oriented features in C#. We'll see how to write constructor using multiple parameters. We are going to see how to use polymorphism and how we can use inheritance in C# to use the existing methods in a class. For array, we are going to see how to write array in C# to store data, accessing the elements from the array. In the exception handling, we are going to see how we can handle exceptions so that the program can exit gracefully without any crash. In the GUI, we are going to use the forms feature in C# and create GUI. More topics: file, using XML and dynamic data structures. For the file, we are going to see how we can use the data from a file rather than getting data from user. So we'll be working on getting data from file, doing processing, and writing the output into another file. We are going to see the basic XML structure which can be used in C#. And then we are going to be working with the dynamic data structures like linked list, stack, queues. And finally, we'll have the review of C#. If at any point you want to ask me a question, just go to the question comment box. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started.